Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. Hope you are doing well. I am going to introduce a Gujarati dish today in my Food Chemistry's kitchen. That is the mixed dal handvo. It is a traditional Gujarati snack which can be taken for a breakfast or let's say in evening snack. It's a complete meal in itself. For the Gujarati handvo, we require 2 cups of white rice. This is tur dal. I have taken half a cup of tur dal. Here comes 1/4 tablespoon of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal. For the tempering purpose, you require sesame. So I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted sesame. You can use white sesame as well. Few amount of curry leaves and 2 small tablespoons of curd. For the handvo, we also introduce vegetables into it to make it very healthy. For the vegetables, we require carrots. I have taken 1 medium-sized carrot. I have made it in a grated format. You can see that. This is 1 capsicum. I have made it into small pieces. You can see this. 2 to 3 green chilies. If you are using spicy chilies, make sure that you define the quantity well. This is dhania or coriander leaves. I have finely chopped, and cabbage. I'm going to use cabbage into this. This is also, I have crushed it finely. You can see. So all my veggies will be going into the batter. And remember, for all these ingredients you have to soak for around 4 to 5 hours and then remove the water and make a fine paste out of it. So let's get started. You can see I have soaked it for 5 hours. Now I will remove the water and mix it into a fine paste. You can see I have formed a nice paste. Now it's time to put the vegetables into the Gujarati handvo. I have taken the batter into the bowl. Now it's time to put all these vegetables along with the salt, sugar and little bit of turmeric powder. So let's do it. Once you put all the vegetables, mix the batter properly, and I have put salt as per taste, sugar 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. You can also add little bit of curd. So I will add. I think this is fine. Mix all these ingredients well and you can proceed further. For making this Gujarati handvo, I am going to make use of the OTG, or you can use your proper oven also. You need to preheat your oven for around 10 minutes. Finally, coming to the last step of Gujarati handvo, I have taken the handvo batter into this cake pan or cake mold, you can say, and make sure that you maintain a little bit of few inches so that when it gets baked out, it will rise high. And we will just make a fast tempering. So for that I have taken 1 tempering pan, small pan. Into that I will be, once it get heated up, I will be putting oil around 1 tablespoon. Once the oil gets heated up, you can put the sesame seeds and the curry leaves. They are nicely done. The flavors of curry leaves are coming really well. Just put over this. You can do your decorations as per your choice. This I am going to put into my OTG for around 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. So I have taken out the hanwo out of my oven, and you can see how beautifully it has been turned. The sesame, the curry leaves, all are looking fabulous. I have also made a green chutney, and I am going to use this with this Gujarati hanwo. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please support and subscribe to my channel, and stay healthy, remain healthy. Thank you so much.